welcome you all for the Department of ECE organizing 5 days faculty development program on Internet Things of Technical Application. Here comes Selvi or Narmada of 3rd year ECE department to give the guest intro.
Our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. L. Arulmurugan, is working as an assistant professor in a Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Bannari Amman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam, Erode. He has completed bachelor degree in Electrical and Communication Engineering in 2004 and master degree in Applied Electronics from Maharaja Engineering College in 2006. He has received an PhD degree in the area of information and communication engineering from Anna University, Chennai in 2019. His research interested in VSLI, design, artificial intelligence, wireless sensor networks, embedded system, phase change materials, and electronics cooling system. He is a multi-talented person with his professional skills, which impressed us to admire all of her skills. A remarkable personality whose dynamic impact restored deeply with us all. Her dedication and expectation talents have left an lasting impression, earning her a earning his a special place in our hearts. We are honored to have her with us today. He is desirable for our beloved chief guest. Thank you.
Thank you, Narmada, for the wonderful introduction. Next, the session starts with our chief guest.
Okay, good afternoon to all. Am I audible now? Good afternoon, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for introducing me. I'd like to thank Professor Gobi for inviting me for this FDP program. And also I thank Professor R. Morgan, HOD ECE Department, and Dr. M. Ramesh, Principal, and the management of MPNMJ Engineering College. Okay. Once again, I will share my screen. Okay, the screen is visible now. Can I start the session?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, in this session, I'm going to handle the role of Internet of Things in industrial applications. The Internet of Things, everyone knows this. Nowadays, all are using this Internet for controlling any devices. This Internet of Things describes the network of physical devices. The things, the Internet of Things, that things refers to the devices that are embedded with sensors and software for the purpose of connecting and exchanging the data with other devices and systems over the internet. These devices range from ordinary household objects to sophisticated industrial tools. This IoT involves mainly consumer activities like wearable devices or any household appliances like fan or light we can control easily. But industrial IoT means the same thing. We are controlling the machinery equipments through network. It's called industrial IoT. Okay, the following topics I plan to cover in this session. So, what is industrial IoT? The industrial Internet of Things is the use of smart sensors, actuators, and other devices such as radio frequency identification tags to enhance manufacturing and industrial process. The second topic is the application of industrial IoT. The industrial IoT, also known as IIoT, is transforming the industrial sector by enabling automation, connectivity, and data-driven decision making. And the IoT application encompasses various areas such as factory digitalization, inventory management, quality control, safety and security, and supply chain management. Third topic, machine-to-machine interactions. The machine-to-machine communication is a broad label that can be used to describe any technology that enables network devices to exchange information and perform actions without the manual assistance of humans. The fourth one, the benefits of industrial IoT. The improved efficiency, one of the foremost advantages of IIoT is enhanced operational efficiency cost reduction, cost safety, data-driven decisions, enhanced product quality, competitive advantages, remote asset management and monitoring, customer satisfactions. And the fifth topic, vendors in industrial IoT. The biggest players in the world of IoT technology are Amazon, Apple, Google, vendors of industrial IoT. Sixth topic, features of industrial IoT. Some of the key features that make industrial IoT platform suitable for industrial applications, the machine-to-machine communications, edge appliances, and automations use cases. The first topic, what is industrial IoT? So industrial IoT is an ecosystem of devices, sensors, applications, and associated networking management that work together to collect, monitor, and analyze data from industrial operations. Analysis of such data helps increase visibility and enhances troubleshooting and maintenance capabilities. It can also increase efficiencies, reduce cost, and improve safety and security. Okay, why should the organization consider adopting industrial IoT? Industrial IoT enables organization to get a wealth of actionable data from their operations. When properly aggregated and analyzed, the data helps them better control operations with the potential to improve worker safety, to increase production uptime by predictive maintenance of machinery, to maintain product quality, to help ensure regularity compliance, to improve operational efficiencies, to accelerate response time with real-time collection and processing of operational data. How is industrial IoT different from other types of IoT? The most notable difference is that while IoT primarily focuses on commercial or consumer physical devices like mobiles, personal computers, home appliances, and many more electronic devices that are embedded with sensors, softwares, and other technologies to transmit the data and to communicate among the devices through the internet. For example, air conditioners, sensors, smart watches, mobile phones, home appliances. These are the examples of consumer Internet of Things. This industrial Internet of Things refers to interconnected sensors and other networked devices together with computer industrial mainly used in manufacturing. The IIoT connects machines and devices in industries such as manufacturing industries, transportations, oil and gas industries, power generations and transmissions, mines and port. These are the industries mainly used for in industrial IoTs. For example, Amazon warehouse, smart robotics, Airbus. These are all using the industrial IoTs. The evolution of Industry 4.0, usually we call it as a industrial IoT. It is based on widespread deployment and use of computational and communication resources. The Industry 4.0 or fourth industrial revolutions describe the current stage of technology that predominantly involves the increased automation and connectivity. The Industry 4.0 combines IoT with various components of manufacturing process. The industrial IoT provides a connection between the physical and digital world. This smart technology is enhancing the way business is done. The Industry 4.0 is completely changing business process and practices. The first Industry 1.0, that's steam engine. Over the last several centuries, the industrial process have undergone three major revolutions. First one, in 17th century, the steam power increased the amount of production in manufacturing facility could produce. Before that, the manually everything is done. After this Industry 1.0, we are using a steam engine to do the process. The second revolution, the 18th century, with gas and oil, these two fuel sources allowed electricity to be a dependable source of energy. The oil and gas used to generate electricity. Based on the electricity, we are developing many manufacturing they're using. The third one is they're using the nuclear power plants. These nuclear power plants are integrated with microprocessor and automatic processor controller. This automated controller will automatically do the process and they will perform the process. Okay. Then Industry 4.0, we are using currently this industrial revolution using artificial intelligence and automation to connect the physical world to the internet. Let us see the one example of industrial revolutions of Intel chip manufacturing. Initially, in 17th to 18th century, the Intel manufacturers using a manpower, human labors to produce the chip. The Intel manufacturing semiconductor chips and graphical card, motherboard chipset, and other computing devices. Intel. Before the industrial revolutions, most products were handmade using human labor and simple tools using for manufacturing. This process took a long time with the development of new technologies. Think steam engines to start. Companies could use machines in the manufacturing process. The result is larger quantities of product at lower cost. In today's manufacturing industry, they are converting raw materials into something with a greater use or value. It's a huge driver of the global economy. Adding simple efficiencies to the work stream further increases value of making more goods with fewer materials or fewer working hours. And as companies finish more products at a faster rate, there is added profit across the business chain. Industrial IoT applications. Before that, we should know how does industrial IoT work. The industrial IoT is a system that includes smart sensors, machines, tools, software platforms, cloud server, and applications. These smart sensors are deployed at every stage of the manufacturing floor for specific applications. These sensor networks continuously send data to the IoT gateway, which receives and transmits data to the cloud applications. Let us see some applications of IoT. The first one, mainly we are using is in industrial automations. The industrial automation is one of the most significant and common application of Internet of Things. Automation of machines and tools enable companies to operate in an efficient way with sophisticated software tools to monitor and make improvements for next process iterations. Accuracy of process stages can be improved to greater level using machine automation. The automation tools like programmable logic controller or programmable automation control can be used with smart sensor networks connected to a central cloud system which collect huge amount of data. Let us see some practical application of IoT in industrial automation. Here, the 6 main points are used in the industrial automations. The first one, industrial remote access of machine. In a traditional factory setup, when one of the machines stops performing optimally, the engineers have to initially visit physically to diagnose the cause of the problem. In this process, valuable time and resources are lost, ultimately leading to a cost impact due to downtime. With remote access to individual industrial machines, the engineers can access the machines from their current location and view log files on the PLC or robot, and if necessary, reset the machines. But it takes only a few minutes to find the problem, and this saves a lot of time. The second one, new functionalities on human-machine interaction. In this human-machine interactions, where the persistent evolution of technology demands consistent updates for both day-to-day use products and IoT in industrial automation equipment. Having access to reliable embedded software development company becomes imperative. So even post-delivery of machines, ensuring enhanced performance, improved security, and the incorporation of new features necessitate regular updates to the human-machine interface software. Third one, predictive analysis for machine maintenance. Industrial machines require occasionally maintenance, and when used, degradation of any machinery after a certain number of production hours, it is easy to predict when maintenance needs to happen. In these scenarios, it is vital to implement predictive maintenance and generate specific and reliable information to make the right decision for driving performance. You can collect, store, and access the information by using clouds on each type of machinery. Furthermore, if any assist reaches its maintenance time, automation notification can be sent to the right person. Third one, analysis and optimize industrial robot action. The industrial robots make repetitive work simple and easy. IoT features with remote access help to get better insights into the respective log files. Video analysis improves the actions of certain types of robot. Access to IP camera regarding the live streams can make things faster and easy. The setup of virtual private network connections for full network access can be set up easily to any of the devices connected to the robot. Fourth one, the quality control. IoT in industrial automations applications can monitor the quality of manufactured product at any stage, starting right from raw materials which are used in the process of transformation via smart tracking applications. This information is important to detect issues in the production chain and fix it swiftly. If not only helps to detect failures, but also prevent risk in industries such as food or pharmaceuticals. Okay. The last one is plan safety improvement. IoT machinery can generate real-time data regarding the live situations on the plant. By monitoring the equipment damages and the air quality in the plant, it is possible to avoid any type of hazardous scenarios and contributes to the overall plant safety. Next one, smart robotics. Many companies are developing intelligent robotic system for IoT-enabled factories. Smart robotics ensure smooth handling of tools and materials in the manufacturing line with precise accuracy and efficiency. Predefined specification can be set for maximum precision using intelligent robotic arms. Man-machine interface design concept will reduce the complexity of operation and it will reflect in future IoT-enabled manufacturing as improved productivity. The next one is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is an effective solution to avoid unnecessary downtime in the production line. Modern industrial machines equipped with smart sensors continuously monitoring the status of each major equipment, and it can detect any critical issues before the system is completely shut down. Smart sensors will trigger maintenance warning team to the centralized system, and the alert message will be delivered to the responsible persons or groups. The maintenance engineers can analyze the data and plan for schedules maintenance effectively without affecting routine tasks. Next, integration of smart tools. The integration of smart sensors to tools and machineries enables the workforce to perform the task with improved accuracy and efficiency. The specially designed wearable and smart glass helps employees to reduce error and improve safety at the working environment. Smart wearable can trigger instant warning message to employees during emergency situations like gas leak or fire. Wearable can monitor health condition of individual continuously and feedback if not fit for particular task. Next one, smart logistic management. Logistics is one of the important areas in many industries which needs continuous improvements to supporting increasing demands. Smart sensor technology is a perfect fit to solve many of the complex logistics operations and manage goods efficiently. The retail giants like Amazon using drones to deliver goods to their customer. Advanced technologies like drones offer better accuracy, accessibility, speed, and it requires less manpower. However, initial investments are huge compared to conventional method, and implementation as in this smart logistics is a limited one. The next one is the software integrations for product optimization. Smart analytics solution is one of the most important component of any IoT system, which further enhance the possibilities of the system for improvement and optimizations. Major companies are implementing customized software for deep analysis of huge amount of data collected from large sensor networks and machines. The detailed analysis of data and understanding of the behavior over time gives much better overview of process improvement strategies for product optimization. Then smart package management. Package management using IoT technology gives a lot of convenience and efficiency for manufacturing units. Smart sensors can monitor each stages of packing and update status in real-time manner. The embedded sensors can detect vibrations, atmospheric conditions like temperature and humidity, and give feedback about something goes wrong during the transit or storage. The next one is enhanced quality and security. The introduction of IoT technology in manufacturing industries offer enhanced product quality. The continuous monitoring and analysis of each stages ensure better quality of improving process steps for optimum quality. The integration of smart tools and software-assisted procedures offer high level of security. The software-controlled automations and data collections from huge sensor network is connected to a highly secure gateway and cloud server platforms. The complex encryption techniques are used in IoT platform for enhanced security. Next one is autonomous vehicle. The automotive industries are using IoT enables self-driving vehicles to supply goods and logistics management within their company premises. But some smart vehicles can detect traffic congestions along its path and make deviation to reach its destination in a shortest time. These vehicles are equipped with many smart sensors, continuously detect locations data using GPS and wireless technologies for communication with the current control stations. Power management. IoT can offer better solution for power management industries. Specific sensors can detect environment and trigger to turn on or off control of lights, air conditioners, humidity, liquid flow for efficient power management. These are some application of industrial IoT. The next one is machine-to-machine communications. The machine-to-machine is a direct communication between devices using any communication channel, including wired or wireless. Here you can see this any devices, smartwatch, laptop, or mobile, or any tab, or we can connect directly to the any machines. This is main machine-to-machine communication. There is no intervention in human interaction. The machine can directly interact with the devices, and they will respond to the command, and they will receive the response. And based on the response, they will react to the process. Okay, this is machine-to-machine communications. Some of M2M machine-to-machine uses are first one smart asset tracking. The machine-to-machine communications can include industrial instrumentations enabling a sensor or meter to communicate the information it records to application software that can use it. Such communication was originally having a remote network of machines relay information back to a central hub or analysis, which would then rerouted into system like a personal computers. Smart asset tracking is an embedded sensor and GPS capabilities. Keep track of your assets. A fleet to share the location, content, and state of repairs. Everything they will communicate to the machine-to-machine communications. The next one, predictive maintenance. Sensors on your equipment detect fault, order replacement component, equipment breaks, and causes costly downtime. Everything they will directly communicate to the machines, and they will, if any fault is, they will order it in the own way. The next one is product development. Product development can continue beyond a point to put feedback information about its state of repair and how it is responds to continuous age. Last one, adaptive traffic management. Connected cars can sense their locations on the road and even share data about available parking spaces with other vehicles, and send data to real-time applications in drivers' cars. Could find available spaces, easing congestion and saving time and fuels. Okay, what is the difference between the machine-to-machine communication and Internet of Things? The IoT is connected with the network. Any device, any computer or mobile or any devices connected with the internet, and it is connected to the industries. It's called industrial IoT. If the system is connected directly with the industry or directly with the logistics, means that is called as a machine-to-machine communication. IoT is network of physical objects embedded with software, sensor, and other technologies to connect and share data with multiple devices over the internet. The machine-to-machine stands for direct communications device using wired communication or wireless communication channel without any human interactions. The key difference between this machine-to-machine and the IoT connects is while MPM is the connection of two or more devices with the internet for data sharing and analysis. Another difference is that MPM system uses point-to-point communication, while an IoT system typically places its could use a cloud network that allows large-scale integration and more sophisticated applications. Essentially, M2M communication is done from one machine to another. M2M technology enables device on network to make autonomous decisions without requiring manual actions. The next one is benefits of industrial IoT. The first one of the top benefits that the industrial Internet of Things of course, business is predictive maintenance. This involves organization using real-time data generated from IoT system to predict defects in machinery. For example, before they occur, enabling companies to take action to address those issues before a part fails or a machine goes down. The another common benefit is improved field service. IoT technologies help field service technicians to identify potential issues in customer equipment before they become major issues, enabling technique to fix the problems before the inconvenience of the customers. Next one is asset tracking. Is another IoT perk. The suppliers, manufacturers, and customers can use asset management system to track the locations, status, and condition of products throughout the supply chain. The system will send instant alerts to stakeholders if the goods are damaged or at risk of being damaged, giving them the chance to take immediate or preventive action to remedy the situations. IoT also permit enhanced customer satisfaction. When products are connected to the Internet of Things, the manufacturer can capture and analyze data about how customers use their product, enabling manufacturers and product designers to tailor future IoT devices and build more customer-centric product roadmaps. Next, IoT also improves facility management as manufacturing equipment is susceptible to wear tear as well as certain conditions within the factory. Sensors can monitor vibrations, temperature, and other factors that might lead to operating conditions that are less than optimal. Next, vendors in industrial IoT. The first, mainly their ability by ABB is a power and robotics company. The second vendor is IoT system by Cisco, a networking company. Then the third one, filled by Fanuc, a supplier of industrial automation equipment. Then fourth one, Predicts by GE Digital, an energy management company. Then fifth one, Connected Performance Services by Honeywell, a software industrial company. The sixth one, Quanune by KUKA, a manufacturer of industrial robots. Seventh one, Wonderware by Schneider's Electric, an energy management company. Eighth one, Mindsphere by Siemens, an industrial manufacturing company. The features of industrial IoT. The future of industrial IoT looks promising with the advancements poised to enhance connectivity, efficiency, and innovation in various industries. The key trends shaping the future of IoT include the integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence, which will make industrial process more autonomous and intelligent. Predictive IoT or combining IoTs and artificial intelligence will allow for the prediction of equipment failures and reducing the downtime and maintenance costs. The digital twins technology will transform product design and maintenance, while real-time location systems and edge computing will boost connectivity and efficiency. And also, additionally, the 5G connectivity will drive further innovations, and blockchain technology will enhance security and transparent in transactions. The IoT will continue to revolutionize industries by optimizing operations and driving cost savings. The artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques enable predictive maintenance, optimize production process, and enhance quality control. I hope this session will help you to understand some basics of industrial IoT. If you have any queries, we'll have a discussion about the industrial IoT.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Gobi. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Excellent session,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks for gracing us with your presence today. Your insight and contribution have been both enlightening and inspiring. We deeply appreciate the time and effort you have dedicated to sharing your expensive with us. Thank you once again for your invaluable presence and remarkable contributions, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay. Can I leave this session?
Sir?
Can I close this session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Ritika Shri,
Yes, sir.
Ravi sir is available, ma?
Sir.
Ravi sir is available for next session.
Okay, sir.
Just start and start the session.
Good afternoon to all. We welcome you all for Department of ECE organizing 5 days faculty development program on Internet of Things for technical application. Here comes Selvi S. Ranjini for third year ECE department to give the chief intro.
Our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. G. Ravikumar sir, Professor in EC Department, MPNMJ Engineering College. He has completed his Bachelor degree of ECE in Government College of Technology, Coimbatore, and has completed his Master degree in KSR College of Technology, Tiruchendur, and completed his PhD in Anna University, Chennai. He has 35 years of teaching experience with more with more professional skills. He has published more than 30 papers in various peer-reviewed journals, and out of these, more than 15 papers published in Scopus indexed journals. And for the first, the patent is granted, and for the first, the patent is published. He has published more papers and presented 40 plus international and national conference. He is also coordinated in ARIA and IIRS, ISRO, and many over and also a member in many professional bodies. He is a multi-talented person with his professional skills which inspires us to admire all of skills. A remarkable personality whose dynamic impact resonates deeply with us all. His dedication and explorational talent have left a lasting impression, yearning his a special place in our hearts. We are honored to have him with us today. See, he is desirable for our beloved chief guest.
Thank you, Ranjani, for the wonderful introduction. Next, the session starts with our chief guest.
So the session will start soon. Sir Ravikumar sir, do you hear me? Ravikumar sir? Ravikumar sir? Sir Ravikumar sir? Sir Ravikumar sir, do you hear me? Ravikumar sir? Sir, kindly unmute your mic, sir. Ravikumar sir? Ravikumar sir, do you hear me? Ravikumar sir? Ravikumar sir, do you hear my voice?
Sorry, sir.
Sir, your voice is audible, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, can we start the session?
Okay, sir.
Ranjini?
A warm good afternoon to one and all present over here. We all welcome you for the Department of ECE organizing 5 days faculty development program on Internet of Things for technical application. Here comes Selvi S. Ranjani of 3rd year ECE department to give the guest intro.
Our Honorable Chief Guest Dr. G. Ravikumar sir, Professor in EC Department, MPNMJ Engineering College. He has completed his bachelor degree of ECE in Government College of Technology, Coimbatore, and has completed his master degree in KSR College of Technology, Tirchangod, and completed his PhD in Anna University, Chennai. He has 35 years of teaching experience with more professional skills. He has published more than 30 papers in various peer-reviewed journals, and out of these, more than 15 papers published in Scopus indexed journals. And for the first, the pattern is granted. For the first, the pattern is published. He has published more papers and presented 40 plus international and national conference. He is also a coordinator in IIA and IIRS, ISRO, and many more, and also a member in many professional bodies. He is a multi-talented person with his professional skills, which inspires us to admire all of his skills. A remarkable personality whose dynamic impact resonates deeply with us all. His dedicated and exceptional talent have left a lasting impression, earning his a special place in our hearts. We are honored to have him with us today. He is desirable for our beloved chief guest.
Thank you, Ranjani, for your wonderful introduction about the chief guest. Next, the session starts with the chief guest. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Bharath, and thank you, Professor Govinad, for giving me this wonderful opportunity for me. So today, I am going to deliver a guest lecture for all of you.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, voice is not audio loudly, sir.
Okay. So today my session is IoT in education. Sir, are
Yes.
you?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. So the IoT having a tremendous applications in the various fields. The best one is the IoT in education. So what is the IoT technology? So IoT is a complex wireless network. Worldwide, the various devices are connected through a network, sharing the information among themselves. So they're sharing the information from one point to another point. So the various devices connected in the network to retain the information and process that information and analyze so for a particular work. So in the node, there are various devices are connected in the network, that is in the IoT. From biochips to mobile phones, sensors, monitors, laptops, so every electronic devices are connected. So the information gathered from 100 place or worldwide, the persons who are connected in the network analyze the derived document from the various persons, right? So now the IoT is extended into artificial intelligence, augmented reality area, big data, web-based systems, smart devices, appliances area. So now the IoT is having a wide range of applications in worldwide. Now, how the IoT is emerged in the field of the education. The IoT devices are used for to improve the management efficiency with the help of various tools. And also it is used for data collected from the students and other persons involved in the education for a real-time application. Then the third part of the education with IoT is improved resource management. That means already we have a lot of information in the worldwide in a digital nature. So within the single place, we are able to collect every information we needed from worldwide. Then another one is global interconnection. That means what? A person in US or UK we are easily interact with them, or that person giving a guest lecture in that places, within the few seconds we are able to interconnected with that. So now the IoT in education is moved from traditional class arrangements into digitalization area. Here I show various applications for the IoT in worldwide. So IoT in healthcare for remote patient monitoring. So is one of the leading emergency field. So with the help of this IoT, we can able to monitor the patient. What are the improvements in the patient's health? Then what are the suggestions given by a doctor in the remote places? The patient's doctor, it is an easy thing. So likewise, so another field is smart homes and the energy efficiency. So with the help of the IoT technology, so we are managing our home in a smart way. So the first one is optimizing energy consumption, then enhanced automation, that every work is automated with a remote place. Then finally, we are involving the security also. And third one is industrial IoT for smart manufacturing. So the help of the IoT, the efficiency is improved easily, and the manufacturing time is reduced. Then overall productivity is increased. So the next field is the agriculture. So with the help of IoT sensor, so we are optimizing the crop management and improve the product performance. So the next is IoT in smart cities for urban planning, so managing the traffic management, wastewater management. So various applications we are focusing. Then IoT in smart grid for energy distribution. The energy is generated in one place. It can be delivered in the remote place with the help of that IoT technology. The energy distribution efficiency and reliability is increased. Then IoT in environmental monitoring. So what is the humidity, air quality, then is there any change of climate, and everything is monitored with the help of the IoT sensor. Then next one is IoT enabled smart for water management. So irrigation system, water quality monitoring, and whether the water is flowing everywhere properly. All these are with the help of the IoT devices sensor, they can easily monitor. Then the last one is IoT in education. This is our topic. Then how the teaching methodologies enhanced with the help of the IoT devices. Then with that help of the IoT devices, how the administrative tasks, then students automates, whether the faculty members are handling work properly, then whether the students inside the campus are maintained proper discipline or arrangements, whether the students traveled in the buses are safely, whether the students are reached the home in a safely manner. So the overall experience of the teaching is enhanced with the help of the IoT devices and IoT sensors. The role of IoT, next topic is the role of IoT in education. The education sector, it is a most adapted and effective usage with the help of the IoT devices. With the help of the IoT devices, it is more collaborative and interactive with the students and easily accessible the data from various locations. So this is the first point we are having with it, right? Then the IoT, with the help of the IoT devices, we are shifting the traditional teaching method into a digitalized, increased efficiency method. The learning practices of the students is very much increased with the help of the digitalization, right? So also, with the help of the digital tools, we are making the education omnipresent is very, very important, right? So adapting the digitalized nature of the smart devices, we are educate the matters with more efficient to the student. This is not only involved this time, during the COVID pandemic time, we are having efficiently incorporated the digital device involved in the education side. The students using the smartphones and the tablets in the digital classrooms, the students is easily keeping online real-time track record of the lecturing process, and faculty members easily monitor the students' progress via the digital platform is an easy method. These are the very much points in the role of the IoT in education, right? So with the help of the learning platforms, the students are able to involved in the live classes or pre-recorded lectures, and they are easily able to express the problem-solving capacity with the help of the software personalized educational method. So, with the help of this IoT in education, the faculty members are able to complete the portion taking a 3 hours in a traditional method, but it is easily completed within an hour in the digitalized IoT technology. So, with the help of the every point, the teaching staff able to teach the subject ranging from languages to mathematics to technical practical skills. That means what? In earlier days, the faculty members only using the communication language part, communicating the information through in person only. Then after the development of the mathematics, the analyzing capacity is somewhat improved. But nowadays we are able to developing the matters which are delivered by the faculty members in the form of graphics and the 3D animation. For example, if a doctor wants to delivering a lecture about the human parts, so with the help of graphs and 3D animation, he shows every matter in a right way. The students easily understanding about the other form of the information, that is videos, then graphical form, images. These are possible with the help of the digitalization of the teaching method. That is the help of the IoT. So, next one is apart from the teaching by the faculty members, the total environment of the education sector is modified. Then each and every class faculty entering into the class, taking the attendance by manually, but now by the smart attendance IoT devices, so we make the easy attendance environment. Not only taking the attendance, so other parameters associated with the attendance easily calculated with the help of the smart attendance devices. Also, we are using the smart boards in the classrooms. So, with the help of the smart boards in the classroom, we are able to give the lecturers in the various forms. Not only the chalk and boards usage. Here, if we in a class we are taking a video in the smart boards or analyzing images today classes. So the continuing of the next class is continuing in the next class is easily with the help of the smart. Also with the help of the tools, cameras. So school we are managing the school logs. Then everything in the education system in the building are managed with the help of a central system based control with an automation system with the help of the IoT in it. So applications of IoT in the educational sector. The next is evolving methodology. So in the early days, we are using the board chalks and boards for displaying the matters in the board. But nowadays, using the smart boards, we are delivering the matters in digital forms. Then, with the help of the internet-based smart devices, we are able to using various kinds of technology for giving the information, right? Also, in early days, they are using only the hard copies of books, but nowadays the students easily using the smart devices. They collecting the e-books in various places and download it. With the help of the devices, you can zooming and saving the particular feature and analyzing the features in the remaining page. So next one is the smart board instead of blackboard. So nowadays, smart boards used for displaying the animated and 3D versions of images and graphics to the students. And also, teachers are giving the voice command to the students. Then the text-based note can be converted into speech to the students. Then smart security cameras, GPS tracker equipped with school buses to monitor the students, where the students is. Now the time is available. And also disaster alarms. Tablets and smartphones are used for the education applications. Evolving methods, that is where the students or where the faculty members are in the campus or in the students are available in the bus or where the students are available are easily evaluate some digital information devices. So the figure shows that a smart board with a faculty member and the students talking the environment. So another one is automated attendance recording. So attendance of the student is concerned. Teachers need not taking the attendance in their each and every period. Once the help of the biometric attendance or barcode, the entry of the student is easily accessed by the IoT devices, automatically recorded. The message also sent to the parents also, making the proper situation, to the intimation of the making the proper situation of the student to the parents. Then the time for the taking attendance of the faculty members are eliminated, and the time is used for easily for manage the time for the teaching the subjects. So the students are used for the ID and biometric information. We are easily clearly track the where the students are available in the campus. So we can easily identify, we can give the proper protection for the student. That is safety of the students is easily we can give it, right? Most schools lack the infrastructure to detect the red flag for the theft. So not only the educating the students, so we can protect the theft can be created in the campus, abuse, sexual assault, and whatever the crimes taking inside the premises also eliminated with the help of the IoT devices. So surveillance cameras is used to monitor the where the students are in the places. Also, IoT based sensors resolve and dangerous occurs in the campus. Next one, we can IoT devices involved in the door lock sensors, and if anybody breaks the door lock, the message is automatically sent to concerned person. Then the problem is easily rectified within a minute. So IoT devices are used in the distance learning. In the pandemic period, so with the help of live classes, with the help of the pre-recorded classes, then online timer-based assessment questions, tracking of time spent on the portal, everything is monitored with the help of the digitalization IoT devices only. So, with the help of the digitalization technology, we can easily provide the material to the student. Then open booklet based assessment method, the uh, testers evaluated and conducted in remote location. So these are the possibles are occur with the help of the IoT devices. Then the figure shows a student is with the help of a tablet and a laptop. So remote learning technology is easily accessed by the with the help of the IoT device. Enhance the interaction and the learning productivity. Here, assessment activities, even though self-learning also possible in the digital versions, with the help of a small period of time. So, with all these are arrangements, it requires digital infrastructure more and more. If you are providing digital infrastructure more and more, definitely productivity increased more and more. So nowadays, after the pandemic, just started the way towards embracing technology, and many education cannot afford total digitalization. Now only started for the global digitalization, but nowadays most of the institutions are lagging in the digitalization. School and colleges still use printed learning materials, textbooks, chalkboards only. So nowadays also, only 50% of the colleges involved, especially in Tamil Nadu, for a few days before, NIRF ranking shows many of our Tamil Nadu colleges getting ranked in the NIRF. That is what. So our Tamil Nadu colleges better improvement in digitalization. So the learning content and the technology improvement are the productivity of the students are very much increased and getting good results. So, so various tools, various devices are used for in the digitalized technology. So one of the devices, T-pen, it is a gadget which is just like a pen with a sensor. So if the sensor is moved across the printed text, it recognizes, then it can be transformed into a audio nature. And also, the C-pen is used for visually impaired students also. So it is one of the digital table used for. So the given information in text form into audio form, it is mostly helpful for the visually impactful students. The next one is AR equipped system. AR means augmented reality. Augmented means that modified computerized technology, right? So nowadays we are using a computerized technology. With the help of that, we are able to enrich the students' teaching methodology with a various to special education. With the disabled people, we are using for sensor connected gloves and tablet, which is used for generate verbal speech. That is whatever the language that candidate need for this, we can easily transform the text information into a speech information. Then translate from sign language, the teacher giving the sign. That can be easily converted into the speech information. So these are used for disabled candidates of the student. Source monitoring, that is with the help of Wi-Fi technology, with the help of the IoT technology, with the help of the internet, we are easily monitoring the students' activities within the premises or outside the premises. That means while the students are traveling in the bus, so we are easily monitoring whether the students is properly going inside the bus or get down in the middle of the traveling area with the help of the wearable devices. Also, with the help of the drones, we are able to monitor the students properly travel from the bus stop places to homes during the night time. So some of the other apps and tools are used for collecting the data and the teaching efficiency. One of them is Magic Guard. Magic Guard is a tool used for monitoring the attendance of the students in the educational center. It is one of the app used for taking attendance and other processes relevant with the attendance. Then Logo Robo is a another IoT application. It is very much help for the faculty members to writing the and design the programming in Python language, Java, JS, and the C applications very much faster than normal. So there is the students want to writing a program in different language. This app is used for it, and also it is used for robotic coding for drones and designing functions are used for wearable devices are also application areas application. So next one is KJet. It is a software installed in school buses and college buses for safety, right? So the driver is easily monitoring the students within the bus, and also during the travel of the student time, he can do the class work also within the bus. Then next one is illuminated escorted drone. The drones are used whether students walking after the bus travel to the home. They are shown having a light during the light time. With the help of the drone, the student is walking in the safety manner and reach the home easily without any disturbance. So benefits of IoT in education. So with all the devices, so IoT having a more efficient way, improved school management efficiency, either management side, faculty side, or student side. So we are having a lot of advantages whether we are using IoT in education. So in earlier days, we are using very lot of paperwork. So keep the tracking of the management for student is today a tremendous one. And also we are having a lot of funds for management. But nowadays the groundwork is very much faster. It's a risk free and it is interconnected for decision making very easily for the stakeholders. The stakeholders are teachers, students, parents, public of the every person is with the help of the digitalization, they are able easily to monitor or educate whatever the thing in education, it is an easily manner. Then real-time data collection. In early days, the data collected from the student or any person involved in the education is a tedious one. But nowadays, it is a easily manner. Alter the data is an easily one. So everything is easily one for when applying the IoT devices in the education. Then improved resource management. The resources are so wherever located, it is an easily way access the resources and distributed to everyone easily mannered and interact with every person is an easy one. So global interconnected. So we are able to, with the help of the 4G, 5G, and the 6G also coming after that. So the world is under your fingerprint, and it is an easy way for our But even though we are having a so various positive factors, we are facing very much of challenging factors in the IoT in education. The first one is high implementation. So, only 20 to 30% of the technology nowadays we are using due to the lack of the internet, poor internet connectivity in that. The next one is, so we are want to so purchase a smart class board, it takes a 1 lakh, 2 lakh. So each and every class we want to make a smart board, it is not an easy one for the management. So total implementation of that cost is higher. So in class ethics, next point is class ethics. Supposed to be we given an assessment for assessing a student. So anybody give the answer for that assessment. So we give a test to the student. We are not easily monitoring whether the particular students are work out that assessment. So we are here. The plagiarism is occurred during the assessment of the student. So the ethics may be followed in the IoT technology. Lack of data processing infrastructure. Due to the poor internet connection, the transfer from one place of other place of the data are very, very low. Then security and privacy concern, the data may be corrupted by hacked by other members. So these are the various factors of challenges occur involvement of IoT in education. Right. So conclusion. So every positive is the every we have a every negative. Even though the cost is high, then involvement of the IoT in education is a challenge. What not only this field, even though various fields nowadays we are using the IoTs, so it is not an easy one for incorporating the necessary IoT devices in the particular piece is not an easy one, but we are moving towards a and modified and well equipped education side. So these devices must be incorporated in the education must. So with the help of these points, I conclude, I end my section. Thank you for watching my session for everyone. Is there any questions from audience? Gobi sir? Gobi sir, are you here for my voice? Gobi sir? Gobi sir, are you available? Any others available?
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
wants any queries? Any questions? Can I wind up this session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks for gracing us with your presence today. Your insights and contribution have been both enlightening and inspiring. We deeply appreciate the time and effort you have dedicated to sharing your expertise with us. Thank you once again for your invaluable presence and remarkable contribution with us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.